Reading a book is like getting on a plane or a train, sometimes on the road. The book becomes your destination. At the same time, it centers you because it becomes your home, where it all started. I like to read a book before I go out, but tonight, reading a book in front of a fireplace, come on, can't replace that. Well, all good things must come to an end. Before we leave, we thought we'd go out to the Fashion Island Shopping Center, or rather, Fashion Island District, where all the magic happens. Let's take a tour.
Alright guys, so it was a beautiful stay here at the Fashion Island Hotel. It's time to actually go down to the beach as we always do. Beach life, hashtag beach life. There's going to be more videos too. If you haven't seen my previous videos containing the drone flight, scouting for locations for photography, click the link up here or up here, whatever's going to come up the strip, this side or this side, and that'll show up. But for now, about last night, so I ran into Kobe and the whole thing was funny. But the long story short, because I posted a picture on Instagram and everybody keeps on saying, oh, well, you look starstruck and stuff like that. I'm like, yeah, not really. Yes, I was, but not really. The thing is, that picture that I took was like the fastest picture I've taken. I literally whipped it out. No, I didn't even focus, and I pressed the shutter, and it looks like he's always ready to take pictures. I was not. So I'm like, yo, I'm trying to figure this thing out, taking the phone out, and I'm putting it right in my face. I'm like, yo, this way, and I'm like, yo, boom, and I took a picture, and then he kind of took off. But so I was not starstruck like that. He's a great guy. He's a legend. He's a king. He's a real king. But that was just one of those things. Anyway, let's head on out. It was beautiful staying here. It is time to go.
Hello, good morning.
Wow,
Check me out.
yes, sir.
Are all set on.
Hey, how you doing?
For this vlog, the final destination is the beach, as we always do, because that's where we let our hearts go out to the ocean. It's beautiful out here. Wish you could see this, but I thought I'd capture this for you so you can see it at the comfort of your computer or smartphone or tablet, whatever you have, or your Apple TV. Enjoy. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the like button if you like the content. Leave us a comment. And we will see you on the next video.